Italian Espresso Academy Nepal. There are some of the reasons why Italian Espresso Academy Nepal is the best for you. We are worried that students or even workers might not get a good job as soon as they land in foreign land. So, to solve that problem, we give to the barista training and international quality that helps you to adapt quite quickly abroad. Espresso is an integral part of the Italian culture. Italian Espresso Academy Nepal is the franchise of the Italian Espresso Academy located in Florence, Italy. Well, Italian Espresso Academy Nepal meets the international standards of barista training. After the course is completed, all the trainers need to give you a test in presence of the founders of the Italian school, Italian Espresso Academy, through Skype. They need to pass the test to become the recognized barista.